Hey everybody, so this is another unit that's in here that's actually a Forest River Shockwave, and we are replacing the springs as well as doing a suspension kit to it, and then we're also flipping the axles. But while the unit was here, I want to show you that we found a big crack in the spring hanger on this side, and we found another crack over on that spring hanger on that side. So we're going to be welding this guy all back up pretty soon. We're waiting for our brackets to come in on Monday, but we're going to go ahead and get those drilled out, cut out, welded, add the reinforcement plates. And then as the video that you seen earlier, again, this is that Shockwave. Biggin's in here right now flipping the axles. He's adding the parts to this. So he's adding the new perch to the axles itself. So as you can see, here's the original perch. Here's the new perch. He's just got it tack welded in place at the moment. He's leveled them all, and he is getting them welded up so that we can do what's called flipping the axles. Thanks so much for watching.